If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see.
Hey Heathens Demons, it's your favorite guys, it's upreemgoddesss, and today I'm going to do my birthday / fail makeup look, but I later fixed it. It was so stressful. Starting off with moisturized skin and my primer, NYX Do Me Up Honey Based Primer. Make sure you don't forget the neck. Now this is the part where I messed up because I was trying to conceal and correct. And honestly, I think it was the shades because it was too light. And you're gonna see what I've done. It was a lot. Oh.
Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
This is where my second mistake comes in. I go in two foundations. I use Milani's Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in 210 and NYX's Born to Glow in Golden. See, because what happened was I thought, that it was gonna oxidize a little bit, like a shade dark or so. So I'm thinking, okay, then like my whole forehead, cheeks, neck would match. And just look at my facial expression when I realized I fucked up. Here I try to fix it with Arcane Sheer Envy Hydrating Mist Spray. And here I'm trying to darken up as much as I could with my and so I tried going my Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Concealer in 330. You know what? I think that's what I should have done. I think I should have just gotten the regular hydrating foundation that I have. I want to be creative for you guys. And look how it turned out. Still not good. So I gave up on a dewy type look and I go in with a little bit more of the Fenty Beauty setting powder to at least make it look semi-even as much as possible. Because I was starting to look not only like a marshmallow man, but like a melted, dewy one. And it didn't look right to me. So here, I'm going to try to contour it to actually attempt to do something with it. Still not sure. So I go in with the Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation Stick in Cappuccino. And to look less like the Marshmallow Man, I next go in with my Fenty Beauty's Sunstalker Bronzer in Beijingao. And then right here, I go in with the yellow setting powder to carve out my cheekbones because we're trying to look like we're related to Janet Jackson, even though we're not. Now, while debating with your boyfriend, you're going to bronze your nose real quick with that same bronzer. My favorite part, the eyes. I'm going in with the NYX Proof It eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to mix it and blend in with a little bit of my concealer. After that, we're going to set a little bit of setting powder under the eyes so there won't be any fallout. So get that same bronzer that you use for your face, because I like to use that as a transitioning powder. I don't know, I've been obsessed with doing that because look at the transition of it. And plus, I'm still trying to not look like the Marshmallow Man. First eyeshadow I go in it with Juvia's Place, the Nubian 2 palette, Morocco. That's the orange shade. That's really the only shade that's a lie. That's not the only shade we're going to use. But pat that down, blend it out to make it less harsh. Go in on the under eye and make it connect. In sense of like a smoky look. Brush those particles out. While you see me trying to still fix this foundation look and bronze, this is a great moment to mention that the best part about makeup is it's not permanent. You can wash it off. And my baby hair is great. Now here's where it gets really fun in my opinion. Take that same orange shade you use for your eyeshadow, and then take also Tammy X Revolution Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette in Spice Island. And we're gonna blend it out and use it as a TikTok blush to make it look cutesy. I don't know, I've been obsessed with that, where it's like across the cheek and nose and a little bit on the tip of your nose. I've been obsessed with that. What's that one TikToker's name with the pigtails? She kind of got me obsessed with that. I'm old. I don't follow these TikTokers all like that. It was Bella fucking Porsche. So we're going to bit of a highlighter. We're going to do at least 3 layers of highlighter. Trust me, I know what I'm talking about. And we're going to go with Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt Beach Please. Beach Please. Mimosa Sunrise. That's the orange shade. Next, I'm going in with the NYX's Epic Wear Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in brown. And I'm doing this tapping motion to give it a little faded dimension. Next, I'm going in with the lashes. I'm going to use CoverGirl's Lash Blast in black. And this has always been my favorite mascara since I was 15. And I can't let it go. It's always been my A1 since day one. Off camera, I put on both top and bottom lashes. And I have this method where, depending on the lip color, I layer my lips with a liner and then the liquid lipstick. I'm first using the NYX's Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean for the first layer. Going in with the GOAT herself, Stunna Lip Paint in Uninvited. I know that was the most, but it's literally my favorite liquid lipstick. I threw out all the ones I have just for this one. While we're letting our lips dry a bit, be extra if you want. Add a little beauty mark to match your freckles. And also draw in a little bit of your bottom lashes if they fell out like mine. Even though I already mentioned some of the products I use, I will link everything in the description box down below. Because I got you. I got you. One day I don't have you. Don't answer that. While cleaning up my lips, shout out to Troy's TV who wished me a happy birthday. He's literally one of my favorite YouTubers, and I really thought that was nice of him. While I'm on here, I want to thank everyone who wished me a happy birthday. And not gonna lie, this year was kind of bittersweet in a sense. But you know what? I can't complain because I actually seen another year. I'm alive. I have my family. I have my boyfriend, my loved ones. Oh, and I'm setting my face and I'm done. And that's how I did my birthday look. And it didn't turn out so bad. Ignore the forehead, but it didn't turn out so bad. And this is my outfit. Everything's gonna be in the bio. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Stay litty.